Hi, this is Valerie. I am a certified interior decorator, a soft furnishings fabricator, a wife, and a mom. And this morning I'm coming to you from my kitchen. Just thought I'd show you my little media center that I have put together with my own two hands, which was not very hard to do at all. I have put it together in my kitchen, just in a little corner that would otherwise be dead space, or maybe just have an art or two hanging on it. I've used some reclaimed lumber, which I just washed lightly with paint just to give it a little color and for it to be more country rustic a bit, country chic, because we are living in the country and we have a country home. Actually, it was a farmhouse in the day. So I used a few pieces of offcuts, which I've reclaimed, to make pocket shelves to house all my cookbooks. And then I have all my mail that I'm sorting through along with my keys hanging here. And the Savior, which is a magnetic board I use to house all the things, that correspondence that comes in from school, so as not to have my refrigerator plastered with them. So that's just simply a magnetic board that I use to house all the correspondence from school. So yeah, that's my media center. A few pieces of reclaimed lumber, lovely wallpaper in the back there, and a bit of paint, a bit of elbow grease, and you can have yourself a lovely media space in your kitchen to help you to keep all your stuff organized and looking fancy. Until next time, you take care.